How much to pay for lawn mowing? Maintaining your lawn is especially aesthetically pleasing, since long grass and weeds decrease the potential of your home and outdoor space. The cost of paying someone to mow your lawn depends on various factors. Size. The size of your lawn is the biggest influence of cost, since the larger lawn you have, the more time it takes to mow. For example, a small lawn under 5,000 square feet costs around $30 for lawn mowing services, while larger lawns measuring 30,000 square feet cost $70, according to Deer Creek Lawns and Landscaping in Oklahoma. However, most services want a monthly guarantee from you. Features. You may be charged extra for lawn mowing services if your yard has features such as a swimming pool, fence or a deck that need to be trimmed with a weed eater instead of a lawn mower. However, many services include these services. Considerations. Depending on the season, your lawn is covered with leaves, sticks and debris that need removal first before mowing the grass. Your lawn care professional may charge extra for the removal of such debris. A more important consideration is typography. A difficult job will cost more. A metropolitan lot may be a simple plot and take less work. However, city costs are higher.